Fewer apps or games aren't opening on BlueStacks 5. Don't worry, these are the most reliable fixes, the same solution that Reddit users say work for most. Open up BlueStacks and go to settings, go to graphics, set this graphics renderer to DirectX and select save changes option and select restart now. This is the hashtag one solution on Reddit for black screens, white screens, and app crashes during launch. If that didn't work, try this next fix. Go to search menu and type Windows Futures. Click on open the Windows Futures stand on or off. In here, uncheck Hyper-V, Windows Hypervisor Platform, Virtual Machine Platform. Three of it, uncheck it and select OK. According to Reddit threads, this fix alone solves a huge percentage of launch issues. If that didn't work, try this next fix. Some apps won't it run properly on 64-bit or newer Android versions. To fix this, open this BlueStack Multi-Instant Manager. Select this instant and select Fresh Instant. Click on the drop-down and select Nougat 32-bit and select Next. In CPU cores, select High. Memory allocation set this to Enhanced. Resolution set to your monitor's resolution. Performance mode set to high performance and select download option. Select this stop all and select close. So whenever you start the BlueStacks, you just need to open this BlueStacks multi-instant manager and Nugget 32 beta. Right now we created, select the start option. Now you can launch your app inside this instance. If that didn't work, try this next fix. Outdated graphics drivers are the major cause of crashes and black screens. To update it, open the Nvidia app or GeForce Experience. For AMD users, open the AMD software and go to drivers and select the check for updates and download and install the latest driver. For Intel users, you just need to check my video description for this site link to download this Intel driver support assistant to update your graphics driver. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.